Hey guys, so I'm back again with another tutorial, a really quick one though, with a TWA braid out. So I weaved my hair the night before, so it didn't dry properly, so it's still quite wet, but I've got to go to work, so I have to loosen it. So I first of all started with the Maracruz hair oil. I used that on my hand and hair to avoid any frizz. And then I just, went ahead to loosen the hair. Now, this entire process took me like 20 minutes. So, I had to wake up really early, do my makeup, and then, come into my makeshift studio to shoot this video for you guys. So, basically, loosening the hair is more tedious than weaving it. Write in the comments if you agree with me, because I think losing the hair is way more tedious than braiding it or anything of the sort. So yeah, so here I'm done with losing my hair. The rest of it is basically just picking at the roots, trying to close up the lines, and then using my hand to fluff out the hair, make sure there are no tangles. That's basically it. So comb, no, more like put the comb in, shake, and then like pluck at it with my hands and stuff. That's basically it. And when I'm happy with it, everybody is happy with it. It looks different to work. I hope you like it too. Good.